Hi, hello, welcome to Vidyapeedam. This is Nitya. Today we are going to discuss about MCQs on skeleton system and the muscular system. So let us start today's video. So the first question is, how many bones found in human skeletal system? The first option is 212, option 2 is 206, option 3 is 202 and the fourth option is 200. So the correct answer is 206. The option 2 is the correct answer. The total number of bones in a human body is 206. Okay. Second question is, in the human body, longest bone is option 1 spinal cord, option 2 hip bone, option 3 femur, option 4 stapes. So the longest bone is femur or thigh bone. Option 3 is the correct answer. And the smallest bone is stapes. It is in the middle ear. Okay, next question. How many muscles are found in our body? Option 1 565, option 2 656, option 3 665, option 4 556 and the fifth option 639. So how many muscles are found in our body? Option 1 565, option 2 656, option 3 665, option 4 556, next option 639. So the total number of muscles in a human body is 639. Option 5 is the correct answer. 639 muscles are present in our body. Okay. Next question. Which part of elephant convert in the form of elephant teeth? Option 1 internal teeth, option 2 posterior teeth, option 3 secondary teeth, option 4 is jaw. So the elephant convert in the form of elephant teeth. So secondary teeth. Option 3 is the correct answer. Option 3. Next question. Which are contractile protein in any muscle? Option 1 actin and myosin, option 2 actin and troposin, option 3 myosin and troponin, option 4 troponin and tropomyosin. So which are the contractile protein in any muscles? So the muscles protein present in the muscle is actin and myosin. So option 1 is the correct answer. Actin and myosin are present in muscle system. The next question, in which of the following muscular organism do not have exoskeleton? So first option amphibians, option 2 mammalia, option 3 aves and option 4 chondrichthyes. So option 1 is the correct answer. Amphibians do not have exoskeleton, and exoskeleton means it's a extra protection hard cover. Okay, so option 1 here, the option 1 is the correct answer. Amphibians do not have exoskeleton. Next question. Which of the following have a maximum number of ribs? Option 1 crocodile, option 2 snakes, option 3 ray fish, option 4 flying mammals. So the correct answer is snake, and snake have maximum number of ribs. Option 2 is the correct answer. And what you mean by a ribs? Ribs are a thin and flat a curved bone form, and it protect in human body, it protect our heart and lungs. And the number of ribs are 24. 24 ribs are present in a human body. Okay. Next one, odontology is a branch of science and it's a study of option 1 bone, option 2 muscles, option 3 teeth and option 4 kidney. So odontology is a branch of science, it's the study of teeth. Option 3 is the correct answer. Next question, which is the metal abundant in bones? Option 1 calcium, option 2 zinc, option 3 sodium, and option 4 is oxygen. So the metal which is abundant in bone is calcium, so option 1 is the correct answer. And the human bones are mainly made up of calcium and phosphorus. Okay, and it's made up of calcium and phosphorus, and the metal abundant in bone is calcium. Next question, study of bone is oncology, option 2 osteology, option 3 myology, option 4 is cardiology. Oncology is a study of cancer disease, and osteology is a study of bone, myology is a study of muscles, and the cardiology is a study of heart and its diseases. So here the correct answer is option 2 osteology. Option 2 is the correct answer. Next one, only movable bone in skull is option 1 lower jaw, option 2 knee, and option 3 skull bone, option 4 is femur. So only movable bone in skull is lower jaw. Okay, option 1 is the correct answer. Next question, the largest joint in the human body is option 1 knee, option 2 ribs, option 3 ball and socket joint, option 4 is hinge joint. The largest joint in the human body is knee. Option 1 is the correct answer. Option 1, largest joint in the human body is knee. Okay. Next one, the total number of facial bones is 40, 22, 7, 8. The total number of facial bone is 14. So option 1 is the correct answer. Option 1. 14 facial bones are present in a human body. Next question, which is the longest bone? Sorry, it's not bone. It's a joint. Which is the longest joint? Sorry, it's joint actually. It's not bone. Joint. So which is the longest joint? Option 1 hinge joint, option 2 pivot joint, option 3 ball joint, option 4 is gliding joint. So hinge joint is a very long joint, and the example of hinge joint is knees and elbows. So option 1 is the correct answer. Next question, dash joint allow the movement from right to left and also up and down. Option 1 hinge joint, option 2 pivot joint, option 3 is ball and socket joint. Options are first option hinge joint, option 2 pivot joint, option 3 is ball and socket joint. So the correct answer is pivot joint. Option 2 is the correct answer. And what is pivot joint? Pivot joint is allow the movement from right to left and also up and down, and the joint between skull and the neck that shows the movement of our head. So option 2 is the correct answer, pivot joint. Next question, tissue that connect bones to other bone is option 1 ligament, option 2 bone, option 3 muscles, option 4 femur. So the tissue that connect bone to another bone is called ligaments. So option 1 is the correct answer. Ligaments are called tissue that connect bones to the other bone. Next question, the smallest bone in the human body. Option 1 stapes, option 2 femur, option 3 incus, option 4 skull. The smallest bone in the human body is stapes. Option 1 is the correct answer. Next question, dash is the chest bone. Option 1 humerus, option 2 lower jaw, option 3 scapula, Option 4 is sternum. And the chest bone is sternum. So option 4 is the correct answer. Next question. The fluid which reduces the friction between the synovial joint during movement is dash. Option 1 pericardial fluid. Option 2 synovial fluid. Option 3 bile juice. So here the correct answer is option 2 synovial fluid. The fluid which is reduce the friction between the synovial joint during movement is synovial fluid. Option 2 is the correct answer. Option 2. Next one, the shoulder and hip joints are example of hinge joint. Option 2 ball and socket joint. Option 3 pivotal joint. Option 4 is gliding joint. So the shoulder and the hip joints are example of ball and socket joint. Ball and socket joint. Option 2 is the correct answer. Next one, the elbow and knee joints are example of ball and socket joint. Option 2 knee. Option 3 pivotal joint. Option 4 is hinge joint. So the elbow and the knee joints are example of hinge joint. So option 4 is the correct answer. Next question, dash is the inflammation of joints. Option 1 arthritis. Option 2 gout. Option 3 hepatitis. Option 4 nephritis. So dash is the inflammation of joint is arthritis. So option 1 is the correct answer, arthritis. Next question, which is the strongest muscle in the human body? Option 1 masseter. Option 2 sartorius. Option 2 stapedius. So the strongest muscle in our body is masseter. Option 1 is the correct answer. Next question, dash is a strong cord joining a muscle to a bone. Option 1 tendon. Option 2 masseter. Option 3 stapedius. So tendon is a strong cord joining a muscle to a bone. So option 1 is the correct answer. Next question, dash hormone which controls the contraction of smooth muscle. Option 1 oxytocin. Option 2 adrenaline. Option 3 vasopressin. So oxytocin which controls the contraction of smooth muscle. Option 1 is the correct answer. Next question, dash proteins are present in the muscle. Option 1 actin. Option 2 myosin. Option 3 both. Option 4 none of these. So actin and myosin, which are the protein, are present in the muscle. So option 3 is the correct answer, both. Both the proteins are present in the muscles. Next question, muscles get fatigued due to accumulation of lactic acid. Option 2 ATP. Option 2 phosphate molecules. Option 3 carbon dioxide. So muscles get fatigued due to accumulation of lactic acid. Option 1 is the correct answer. Option 1. Next question, which band is present in cardiac muscle? Which band is present in cardiac muscle? So intercalated disc. Option A band. Option 3 I band. Option 4 is all of the above, that is all A, B, C. So which band is present in cardiac muscle? So the correct answer is option 4, all A, B, C. Next question, which is the essential element for muscles? Option 1 calcium. Option 2 magnesium. Option 3 potassium. Option 4 sodium. So the correct answer is calcium, which is essential for element of for muscles. Option 1 is the correct answer. Next one, what is the name of rod-shaped fibrous protein? So first question, the last question, what is the name of rod-shaped fibrous protein? Option 1, troponin. Option 2, actin. Option 3 is tropomyosin. Option 4 is meromyosin. So option 2 is the correct answer. Actin is the rod-shaped fibrous protein. So option 2 is the correct answer. And if you like this video means please like, share to your friends and subscribe to Vidya Peedam. Thank you.